I will explain how to assemble the bed kit for the RAV4. First, fold down the rear seats. Next, place the headrests behind the driver's seat and the passenger's seat. Assemble the 3 bars that form the frame. Each bar has its installation location labeled, so assemble them accordingly. The screws are staggered, so remove the upward-facing screws. After placing the bar, tighten the screws. Do the same on the opposite side. Install the center bar. Install the center bar and tighten the screws. Next, place the mattress. Position the indented side toward the back and facing outward. Insert the middle mattress. Slide the seats forward and raise the headrests. You can set the headrests simply by lifting them. When lowering the headrests, there are levers on both sides, so be careful not to pinch your fingers. The bed kit is now complete.